So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a, or sort of how, sorry, my apologies, how to add some page numbers into your document here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left, press on Insert, then go all the way to the right to where it says page number right here. Press on the little arrow to get a drop down. What we can actually do now is just select page number, format page numbers, or remove page numbers. We're just going to go ahead here and add a page number right here. Now what it actually does, you can add it at the bottom, you can add it at the top. I'll just go ahead and add it at the top here, and I'll go ahead and align it to the right. You can do center, left, inside, outside, whatever the case may be. I'll just go ahead and keep it on the right. Once that is done, press on OK, and there you go. So here at the top, as you can tell, there is the number 1 right here. So if you were to go ahead and type, "This is my Word document," same thing, "This is my Word document." At the top here on the right, it's going to be your page 1. And if you were to go down and create a page 2, which I'll just go ahead and do here quick, I'll just press return a bunch of times to create a second page just like this. My footer actually is right here. As you can tell, page 2 right here at the top right. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add page numbers into a document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.